Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about on a non-US resident that wanted to start a business using a LegalZoom. First, all we need to do is to enter the business name that we want. And from here, click on check availability. And then after that, all you need to do is to choose where it is be located. Now hit on next. Now from here, you can find a right fit for your business. They have the basic plan, the pro plan, and the premium. We're going to choose here onto the Pro as this is the recommended. From here, you're going to enter your email address and phone number in order for them to contact you. And then you're going to choose what kind of industry your business is. Now after that, you're going to keep your LCC compliant to avoid setbacks. And then here, you can just simply select a plan or choose no thanks. And then after that, you can add a business licenses and permits if you have one. But if you don't have, choose on add licenses and permits. From here, they're going to ask you if you need a business attorney plan, but if you don't need, click on no thanks. But on our case, I'm going to choose here on take my included trial. Here, they're going to ask you to if you want a separate personal to business finances using a business bank account. Here, you're going to choose either 1-day expedited processing. You can choose a 1-day that will only cost you $99, but if you are not on a rush, choose on 5 to 14 days. Here on the Founders Kit, they're going to ask you to add a business phase many formalities after forming. And now here, there is also a Founders Kit. If you needed it, click on yes, but if you don't, choose on no thanks and hit on next. Now from here, all you got to do is to review your order below. Now after confirming, click on continue to checkout. And now from here, they're going to ask you how do you want to pay. They have a monthly payment and in one payment. Now after that, enter your payment informations including your shipping address and your payment information and then click on proceed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.